There's no place like Katy. Katy Magazine's here with Dorothy the Scarecrow, the Cowardly Lion, the Tin Man, and all their little Katy Munchkins to remind us there's no place like Katy. There's the lion. Oh, look. There's the lion. Scarecrow and
to see the wonderful Wizard of Oz.